start in a major push to nursing education in Jammu and Kashmir, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has till now approved the upgradation of 10 nursing schools into college staff. They have also sanctioned an amount of rupees 3.75 crore as a first installment in favor of each school for their upgradation staff. In 2020, the health minister had approved the upgradation of five nursing schools, which include GNM Akhnur, GNM Kulgam, GNM Pulwama, GNM Shupian, and GNM Badgam into nursing college staff. In the same year, approval was given for upgradation of three more nursing schools at Udhampur, Rajouri, and Riasi into college staff. In Kashmir division, the ministry has selected four nursing schools for upgradation, which include GNM School Kulgam, GNM School Pulwama, GNM School Shupian, and GNM School Badgam staff. These schools will be upgraded as nursing college staff under the central sector scheme of development of nursing service, an amount of rupees 3.75 crores for each school has been sanctioned between 2020 to 2021 staff. Similarly, in Jammu Division, GNM School, Udhampur, GNM School, Akhnur, ANM School, Rajouri, ANM School, Riasi has been sanctioned for upgradation staff. Paragraph. Besides these, an empty school, Kutwa, and an empty school, Doda, have also been selected for upgradation. Stop paragraph. Dr. Yashpal, Director, coordination, close, new medical colleges, Jammu and Kashmir, told Greater Kashmir that funds have been sanctioned by the government and the amount has been provided to the concerned principals for the upgradation. Stop paragraph parenthesis begin. The nursing schools will be upgraded into nursing colleges and the process has been initiated. Stop. Recently, the Secretary, Health and Medical Education has also reviewed the status, parenthesis close. He said, stop, paragraph. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare administers a central sector scheme of development of nursing services for upgradation of existing schools of nursing into colleges of nursing staff. As per the scheme guidelines, an amount of rupees 7 crores are sanctioned per nursing school for upgradation into college of nursing. 28 schools for nursing have been approved for upgradation under the scheme during the last 10 years. Stop. Chief Minister, Dr. Chief Secretary, Dr. Arun Kumar Mehta today inaugurated the state of the art new digital codec catheterization lab for Sikkims, Sora hair stop.